Hi, welcome to the Learning Target. I can solve and graph using the quadratic formula. And this is to help you through the worksheet if you are struggling with that. Okay, so here's number 4 from the worksheet. I'm going to show all my work for it and then I'm going to graph it. So first things first, hopefully you know x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. all over 2a. Okay, so let's plug away. So the opposite of b is 7. So we're going to put x equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of, in parentheses, b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2, and a is 6. All right, so I'm going to evaluate the discriminant. Oh, sorry, x is negative 6. That's a negative 6. I can't see it from where this is. Okay. Okay, plugging away, I'm going to continue on. We've got negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 121 all over negative 12. Okay, so the square root of 121 is 11, so we've got negative 7 plus 11 over negative 12, and I'm putting that in parentheses, and negative 7 minus 11 over negative 12. Okay, doing that on my calculator, I get the values of x equals negative 0.3330 and 1.5, comma 0. Okay, so if nothing else, you can put those points on there. Oh, this graph is tiny. All right, so 1.5 is like right there. And negative 0.333 is like right, oh no. There, it's pretty close to there. Okay, let's find the vertex. So the line of symmetry, negative b, negative 7 over 2a is negative 6. That's negative 7 over negative 12. Do that on your calculator and you get 0.583. X equals negative 0.583. Okay, plug that back into the equation. Y equals negative 6 times 0.583 squared plus 7 times 0.583 plus 3. All right, so we get y equals 5.042. Okay, so this opens down, so that's good. So halfway and up 5 looks like it's going to be right about there. So not great. I'm going to try to make the graph in the next one better, but have an idea of what this graph is doing. And you have your worksheet to do this on. Okay, so by the way, your vertex was those coordinates 0.583, comma 5.042. Okay, so there's your vertex. Okay, if you want to try the next problem, number 5, on your own, and then come back to the video and try it, great. All right, so hopefully you've given this a try and seen how to do it. And let's walk ourselves through it. So x equals the opposite of b. Okay, b is negative 3, so we're going to put positive 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Okay, let's evaluate that. Plug it in your calculator. All right, so 3 plus and minus the square root of 49 all over 4. Oh, that's nice. All right, so we've got 3 plus 7 over 4, parentheses, 3 minus 7 over 4, parentheses. To get your x values, so you get x equals 2.5, comma 0, and x equals -1, comma 0. Okay, so if nothing else, let's plot these on there. Here we go, 2.5. So here's 1, 2 and a half, and -1, 0. Okay, then line of symmetry. Negative b, that's 3 because b is a negative, so the opposite be 3 over 2a. 3 over 4, 0.75. Okay, let's plug it in. So y equals 2 times 0.75 squared minus 3 times 0.75 minus 5. All right, so y equals -6.125. I feel like we've seen that before. All right, so the vertex is 0.75 and -6.125. So I'm going to plot those points, that point. Okay, so 0.75, that's a little bit more than half, a little less than 1, and -6 would be like right about here. Okay, so then I'm going to make my graph through those. And there you have it. Okay, so essentially you just have 6 and 7 to do for homework. This walked you through 4 and 5. All right, thanks. Have a great evening, and I will see you in class.